Passenger side damaged on van. Both doors damaged. Repairment of both doors. Process of bodywork. Bodywork process finished. Process of primer. Paint finished. Process finished. Thanks for watching. Please like and follow for more.